Hi guys, how you doing? Vladimir here with you, and welcome to my weekly preview. We have few great opportunities for this week, so let's go over the charts and look for a setup. Let's first take a look on the trades we were looking for the previous week, and it will never succeed. The first of them was the British pound against the dollar. We were looking for 145 level, this resistance line, to be broken up. It was broken on Thursday, and now it retraces back to check it. Technically, it must go up from this point, but I have some not good feeling about this pair. I don't really know and I can't really analyze this pair, so I prefer to leave it as it is and just take advantage of the high volatility on this pair with some of my intraday strategies such as SRS or the pips carrier. So as for now, I leave this pair. Even so, I still believe this pair is going up in the long term, and it will go to check this downtrend resistance line on the daily chart. As I told you already, I will look for better setups on this pair than it appears to be right now. The next one is the euro against the dollar. Let's see this pair. We were looking for him as well on the previous week. We were looking for this resistance line to be broken up. It never happened. It gone down from this point, created a bullish divergence, and we have some another opportunity to go up on this pair, but it never breaks up the 126, the resistance line. It is the major resistance line for me, from my point of view. I still believe this pair have a great possibility to go up, and the good setup will be if we see a hidden divergence on this pair. I will explain you right now. Let's see this chart, just a second. Euro dollar. Alright. As you can see on the stochastic and the chart together combined, just a second, right here. Okay? We can see that if the euro dollar stops on these levels and the stochastic will create a lower low than the previous one, like this one, it will create a situation like this. Right? That means that we will have an uptrend line that is marked by lower lows on the chart, and as a hidden divergence we will see a lower lows on the stochastic. Okay, the stochastic will show the opposite of the chart. So if this situation, if this scenario happens, go long when you have a bullish candle pattern on a 4-hour chart. Another possibility that we will experience, as I said, a bullish divergence, not hidden divergence, but simple divergence, and it will happen if the euro dollar keep fall down until this support line, create some triple bottom on this level. It's 121.50 around this level, and the MACD will go a little down and then it goes up again. Okay, so this will be the situation. If it happens, it's also a good signal to go long, and if it meets this level 121.50, creates a bullish divergence on the MACD and creates a bullish candle pattern such as engulfing or a hammer or anything else you know, go long. That's all about the euro dollar. And now let's go for the really great opportunities for this week. First one I want to talk to you about is the Australian dollar. As you can see, we had on the previous week a bullish divergence. When my signal service is on the air, you will get the signals and you will get this trade. So be ready, we'll launch it soon. We had this week, it was on Tuesday, it creates a bullish divergence right here, and went up until these levels, 185, 30, around these levels. Then it stopped, and now it moves down again. If you watch for the stochastic, as I showed you before, you can see this situation. Take a look. You can see this situation. The Australian is going down right now. Probably it will stop on this support line that was resistance before, 183.50 until 183.70, around here, these levels. And these levels also the 20 moving average of the Bollinger Bands. And if you look at the stochastic, there's a high possibility that we will see a hidden divergence, as I explained before. What does it mean? If this pair is going down until these levels, okay, we will see on the chart a higher low than the previous one. Okay, this low that will be created around these levels will be higher than the previous low. That means that we are in an uptrend on this chart. If we take a look on the stochastic, it's probably will get a lower low right here, and then when it turn up again, combined with a bullish candle pattern around these levels, it will be our signal to go long. If you have it go long with stop loss below this support line, 30 maybe 40 pips below this support line, and the first target at least at the previous high that was created on the previous week, around 185.30, 185.40 at least, and the maximum target should be placed right here around 187 plus minus. Alright, so watch this pair.